Hello guys, today I am going to discuss partial differential equation. This is the first topic of the fourth semester syllabus. So, what is partial differential equation? Partial differential equation. हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं what is ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. So unlike the case of ordinary differential equation which arise from the elimination of arbitrary constants, the partial differential equations can be formed either by the elimination of arbitrary constant or by the elimination of arbitrary functions from a relation involving three or more variables. We know that the any equation have variable x, y, z. So first of all, in partial differential equation, we come to know about the some important representation. What are these important representation? The if z is the function of x and y, if z is the function of x and y, then del z upon del x is equal to p, del z upon del y is equal to q, and del z upon del square z upon del y del x square is equal to r, del square z upon del x del y is equal to s, and del square z upon del y square is equal to t. हम जैसे ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट्स को एलिमिनेट करके इक्वेशन को ऑब्टेन करते हैं, डिराइव करते हैं, सेम उसी तरह हम पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में क्या कर सकते हैं, बाय एलिमिनेटिंग द आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट और बाय एलिमिनेटिंग द आर्बिट्ररी फंक्शंस फ्रॉम अ रिलेशन वी कैन डिराइव अ पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. हम एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं हाउ वी डिराइव द पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बाय एलिमिनेटिंग द आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट. सो वी हैव एन एग्जाम्पल 2z is equal to x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. We have an arbitrary constant a and b, so we need to eliminate this arbitrary constant a and b and derive the partial differential equation. Okay, now how we solve this? First of all, differentiate this partially with respect to x and y. So therefore, when we differentiate this with respect to x, partially differentiate with respect to x. Okay, then what we get, 2 del z upon del x is equal to differentiation of x square, that is 2x. A square is constant, therefore a square. This is whole constant, therefore differentiation of constant is 0, therefore plus 0. Now we differentiate partially with respect to y. Partially with respect to y जब हम इसको differentiate करेंगे, then what we get 2 del z upon del y is equal to 2y upon b square. Okay, now what we do, we eliminate the 1 upon a square from this equation. Let's take this 1 and let's take this equation number 2. Okay, now we eliminate 1 upon a square and 1 upon b square, or we eliminate a square or b square from both the equations. So From here equation number 1 we can write 1 upon a square is equal to 1 upon x. 2 is cancel out, 2 or 2 is cancel out, 1 upon x del z upon del x. And from del z upon del x we can write as p. Therefore this is 1 upon x, p upon x. Now from here this is 1 upon b square is equal to 1 upon y q. Now 2 और 2 cancel out, y इधर आ जाएगा तो 1 upon y del z upon del y, and we have del z upon del y is equal to q. Therefore this is q upon y. Okay, now substituting the value, the values of 1 upon a square and 1 upon b square in main equation. What is our main equation? This is our equation number 1. Let's take this is equation number 1. So put the values of 1 upon a square and 1 upon b square in equation number 1, and we get 2z is equal to xp plus yq. This is the derived differential equation of the first order. So इस तरह हम आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट को एलिमिनेट करके पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जनरेट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल मैथ्स IPU सिलेबस.